adaba birtalong pen niliklar at BP non arjuik tha birtang ton pen. Kedam tang jang mini phai in kore hinior ni Pakistan pen India hoya long kido Jammu and Kashmir habra long kido Pahalgam long kijui kelang arada tumaphan monidang thin kawe ok chumpran asong atum bang koir trok kijui kelang aning kachaparong mati tourist atumaphan thangna dada have puchini lora pita risim kang tang pen teng khengsi apran armudet la soahut bang kre troksi atumabang ki areng ahu kiso dunang sidami dolo Bangsa jok India Sarkar hin pen Pahalgam hawralong ok chumpran song atumaphan angkura phelong keherek ejia phan pura armu ok so bitung lasonsi Jammu and Kashmir Police IG Kashmir ADG Kashmir CRPF pen NIA officials bitung atum Baisaran Valley pen Pahalgam along anpali ponsi ketarli pasaideng pondo
ना 18 था 18 वर्ष का ये भी शॉट्स
Bangsa puthak Lok Sabha Congress MP Rahul Gandhi sidami Jammu and Kashmir along anpali damsi kisung aputhak JNK ACM Omar Abdullah Lapen JNK Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha Panchatong damsi Pahalgam along okchum prana song kateng kheng long lok aputhak chingki chatandam Bangso kahumri damahut MP Rahul Gandhi pen kaninje pona tengki nona porahut lapuson sailang noke klem pen adai kavi kijuining kachiparong arada phan ka tengkheng aputhak MP Rahul Gandhi pen pin rempon lapen det piadang along kido an arada tumsida meaning si vet pen epeng vet kido pen si okchumprana song aputhak chisong ponangji lapen bangso along sarkar atum kopima sai kideng along anta kachidon dun alam the chipaklang pon
been a terrible tragedy and I came here to get a sense of what is going on and to help. The entire people of Jammu and Kashmir have condemned this terrible action and they have fully supported the nation at this time. I met one of the people who was injured. I of course couldn't meet other family members and other people because the injured people have gone back. My love and affection to everybody who has lost family members, and I want everybody to know that the whole nation is standing together again. We had a meeting yesterday with the government, and the united opposition condemned this action and said that we are there to support whatever action the government wants to do.
Lasiri tum okchumpran asong phan kachisong pen ki pahai jia phan puluti det piadang ki do anarat sidame korte mutia sonche campaign iklai vet do pen chisong luti ilitum highway jiputa ningje ponthu.
The idea behind what has happened is to divide society, is to make brother fight brother. And it is very important that every single Indian stands united, stands together, so that we can defeat what the terrorists were trying to do. It's sad to see that some people are
truck terminus
attacking my brothers and sisters from Kashmir in the rest of the world. And I think it's very important that all of us stand together, stand united, and fight this nasty action that has been taken.
Halapu Home Minister Amit Shah hinpen JNKR loke doan Pakistania tumapan pangthek pon nang pupusi pangdak pondo. Laswa tengpen Pune District Administration hinpen bang Parisira bang Parisi Pakistani Nationals atum District atumapan pangthek pon longsi jang mini phain ko troxi ang bong India pen kache o jia phansi hukum pipondo. International Desk Report KATV News. Lakhain koi rapo nilip MNC constituency ke parlo choki hola havar sar thing tiarong along kido loke charlia hem ke bana joine penang an ason ahor mu kawe kadure pen nang pajok wek thapusi pherang ke thengno karbiang lawton mas council CM aphan kachuning ripadopon sangtilang so LP school ki kim jengke kedam tang krisir ke pra trokebra chokaning kan si kim ponlo pining aning kan an ke laso school artaning kan phokebra sir ke pleng tanglo ladak nona mat kawe ke kitun ke dang ahemave School bench, desk ke hingno si boy roilo. Ahem asar nungta wak proton pinlo. La penciling ta hingno si nangki klo chupo. La sojok arvi jang lote loke charli klim so maratum class ke doka siksak hektik lopusi. Pherang kia thengno sangtilang so LP school SMCMI pu Samson Teron lapen. Rong asar tuma hin pen karbiang lawton mas council CM Dr. Tuliram rong hangaphan kachuning ripadopon.
Kan drop back dulu.
Kan drop back dulu deh. Master bang ando dah
Master bang ini pak.
Bang ini. Student bang kah?
Student bang 100 punya ande.
Kelas bang ando dah.
Kelas bang ke terus atau kelas 4
Kelas 4 dulu deh. Oke lah uniform pe ni nang le manang le dah kah?
Uniform pe ni bang ke nang le bang.
Nang le. Kita lah midday meal kan dah.
Midday meal tame lah bang pibon long bom lah.
Ente nang le ke dak SMC president lo nang le ke chini dun po. Bang so school long annual grant nang le ke kon ando nang le tum nang le ke.
Annual grant ka do we ni mitang ke chini dun lo le ni kon bang la nang phan pon ke ni chini dun te ni la.
Headmaster men ke?
Headmaster men bang ke aprang ke long ki teron tu lo selame long ki inti kami non bang alang di ke tayar ke anda
te kumal dak headmaster
Allah raphan mang ke Rita rong hangpi
si headmaster te dak nang tu school long ku pipi lo gitu kesung ke dak
ni tum gitu kesung ke la dak gitu kesung ke number 1 bang ke teachers ka we Osomar ke wong pen 149 pen teachers bang ke bang ni teachers bang ni tum hang pit lo DMC long ka hang pit lo
Bangso sekolah kisung alam the penang an kedam tang laso loke charlia hemalong amat nilip education development block board chairman George Rongpi adimaklong along home ridam laso huta laso loke charlia hemalong ki duk kisung alam the thandun lo sita pinyar nianta mesenabir ta avilang loke charli klim somaratum kadokawe bang pharoi sira pikebra sirkep sosedo sita lo than bang ke bang hiniwet non prabjin pen than bang nang toisi kimi athe banghini wet ke lo ki thanta sungnang lo boundary wall ta tangte ringwell ta awi lapen annuals grant tangka ko antong nang kele lo ni nili SMCMI phua hin pen ki chini dun de pusi pherang ke theng no chethan pon
to wara re lo wai fis tame boundary wall ta I pharwe get ta ve
kijuna lang do mo
yu na lang ta awi
tela barpi barso
hem ta ni pin
tela kitun ke dang hem bang ka
kitun ke dang hem ta awi lo la ke ha baharasi sak kin nam chok ho la tu ni thang pen si men pen sarkar pen ngarap bang ke dal
Lasikar biang longton mas council education department hin pen jongsi quality education pa hok binong pulote ason kirap ki pipon serak akinang sotposi pherang kya thengno lamthe pachini don News report KATV News Pinia birta bangkil ansikang tonlo dum mithak mi kardom.